So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to use motion tracking in CapCut for PC. This is great for tracking moving objects like a ball in motion and adding effects, text or zooms that follow that movement. So before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So first of all, you have to head over to any browser like Chrome, it can be Safari or Microsoft Edge website browser. It can be any single one which you wish to prefer with. So for example, I'm going with the Chrome one because I like to use this. So you have to go to Chrome and search for CapCut, and here you can see their official logo CapCut. You just have to tap onto this link and then you have to download it from here. So after completing the installation process, now let's head over to the main steps. So first of all, let me clarify you that what CapCut exactly is. So CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing application developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, originally launched under the same via Maker. Okay, CapCut has quickly become one of the most popular mobile editors in the whole world. Also, it has been famous among content creators on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Reels creators. It is available for free and also it is available for it has a pro version on both Android and iOS, also with the desktop and web version also offered for more advanced or large screen editing. One of CapCut's standout feature is its initiative interface that caters both beginner and experienced editors. Users can import videos, clips, images, and audios into a timeline, and then they can trim it, split it, and edit it according to their wish. So to add anything, you have to just tap on the create project, and from there you will be able to add your projects. In the video I will show you that. Now let's talk about CapCut's more features or its additional to technical editing. CapCut excels in aesthetic enhancements. It offers a rich library of filters, visual effects and transitions. Let me show you. It has a lot of things. So now let's head over to the main video. I will show you all the features it has. So first of all, you have to import your video. Like first you have to open your CapCut app on your PC, or you can also use the Android version or iOS version. Just here go to your PC and open the CapCut, and at the top left corner you can see this option, little text called import. Just tap onto import, and from there you have to browse and search for your preferred video or object. Now choose the video and then you have to tap open. So as you can see, my media has been opened. Now you have to drag it to place it to the object. Like just drag your video down to the timeline right here. Okay, so to make tracking easier, I will add a reference point using text. So let's tap onto the text option at the top left corner here. You can also generate auto text from here by tapping onto captions, and then you can just tap onto generate and it will generate automatic text for you for fully free. So you can also add default text if you wish to. Just tap onto this plus icon, and here you can see the default text has been added to your timeline. Now let me show you how you can edit this default text. At the right corner, at the top right corner, you can see this text, edit text, default text. Now you can choose it and delete it and enter your customized text. For example, what? Check the description. Okay, so this is easy. Now if you want to edit the text or fonts here, I will show you how you can do it. If you want to increase the font size, here you can see this option called font size, and you can make it larger or even smaller. Let me show you. Wait, as you can see here, so let's make it a little smaller. This is perfect. Now if you want to edit the color of it, you just choose it and then go for like this. So this is perfect. Okay, background is perfect. So this is how you can add text. Now let's move forward to the further options of how you can add a tracking reference to it. So at the top right corner, just click on your video, and at the top right corner you can see this little diamond icon. You just have to tap onto it to add a keyframe. Now scroll it a little bit faster, a little bit forward, and then you can use it to escalate more. Like this is kind of animation. For example, I will do it like this. So this is like zoom in and zoom out on a like animated version. Let me show you the
Hey
preview.
everyone, welcome back to another video.
So as you can see, my video has been zooming in. So this is how you can add it, and this helps visually track where the movement begins and ends. Now we will use like keyframes to track the movement manually. So let's do it more. Like I already just added the keyframes, and I will show you also how you can do it more. Like you can just choose this at the middle of your video, like this splitter, and then you have to add keyframe. And if you want it to zoom in, then you just have to make it slide it to right, and if you want to zoom out, then slide it to left. So let me show you how does it look like. Let's see the preview. As you can see, my video is being zoom in and zoom out. So this is how you can add projects to it, like add keyframes to it. So let me share you a pro tip while you are watching the preview. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard like this to move frame by frame for more precision. Now if you want to use it more carefully, you can increase the keyframe like timelines size. Okay, so now you have to keep tracking by frame as the ball moves, and this process does take a bit of time, especially if you want a smooth motion, but it becomes second nature with practice. So just keep practicing it and play around using CapCut, then this will be easy for you to voice over. So that's it. This is how you can add motion to CapCut. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.